Hi! In this video, I will show you how to remove a background in Adobe Express. We are here in the main dashboard of Adobe Express. Scroll down and look for Quick Actions. Click on Remove Background. Upload your image here. Originally, this strawberry has white background. And in an instant, its background was already removed. It is downloaded in .png file. Let's try to use this picture in here. Let's change the background color. And then, we will upload our strawberry in .png file. The strawberry is here, without its background. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!